Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. Today's video is all about the 7E Wellness Black Friday sale. This is the best sale of the year. I've never seen a sale this big on the 7E Wellness website. Everything is up to 35% off, and this year includes the Triwave device, and this has never been included in a Black Friday sale before, so it's truly the best sale I have ever seen for 7E Wellness. I'm gonna go through everything that's on sale because it's a lot, but before we get started, if you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I'm 50 years old. I make videos mostly about beauty devices, so if you're interested in that topic, I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and I have an email list you can join on my website, so you get an email every time I upload a new video or have a giveaway series or a special flash sale on a device. So I have a list in front of me here of all the deals up to 35% off site-wide, and I'll quickly run through that, and then I'll go into more detail and talk you through what's on sale to help you figure out what are going to be the best picks for you. The QT device is on sale, and you get 15% off QT Base or 25% off QT Plus. You can read more on the website about the difference between Base and Premium, but basically you access an app on your phone when you're using the QT device, so the base level will give you all the basic features, and if you upgrade to premium, you get a few extra features to enhance your experience using the QT with the app. All accessories are 25% off. The Myolift Mini is 30% off, and all Myolift Mini bundles are 30% off. The Myolift Triwave is 30% off. All gels, masks, boot camp kits like this one, and limited edition holiday kits are all 30% off. They launched a set of limited edition holiday kits, and the ones for consumers are 30% off, and the ones for professionals are 35% off. This sale really is for everyone, whether you are a consumer or a professional, whether you already have a device or you're shopping for a new device. And if you've bought a Myolift device for someone in the past, now's the perfect time to shop one of their holiday kits or one of their beauty bootcamp kits so they can use it along with their device. There's something for everyone, and it's all on sale. So first, let's talk through the differences between the devices. The QT device is the handheld device, and it's really great for beginners. To get started with microcurrent, you pair this to your app on your phone, and it guides you through different routines that you can use. And this comes with two waveforms, erase and educate, so that you can smooth out and relax the muscles like the neck, around the mouth, crow's feet, and the forehead. And you can lift, tighten, and tone the other muscles, like on your cheeks, your jawline, for example. Even though this is a starter device, it's great because you can connect all of the accessories to it. So on the bottom here, there's a little port to plug in accessories like my favorite, the gloves. You can plug in the masks, you can do the sheet masks, you can do all the accessories that come with 7E Wellness devices with the QT device. Moving on to the Myolift Mini, this is 30% off. This is the device that comes with the probes that I used when I first got the device, but now I only use it with the gloves because I just love how easy and fast it is to use, and you don't need to use any gel, and I just prefer to do the gloves because it's like a facial massage and I can sculpt my face with my fingers exactly how I want to, and I just find it the easiest to use. And the Myolift Mini comes with erase and educate, just like the QT device, so you can lengthen the muscles you want and lift, tighten, and tone the other muscles that you want. You can do really specific targeted treatments based on what your skin concerns are. Now the Triwave is like an upgraded Mini. In addition to erase and educate, this device has an extra third mode called Rejuve. And with that mode, you can detox your skin, you can move lymph, you can clear congestion if you are acne prone. There's nothing quite like the microcurrent glow that you get from using a device like this because you're boosting ATP, which is cellular energy. You're stimulating collagen and elastin production. You do the Rejuve treatment first, and then you follow it up with erase and educate. And the results are really incredible. Your skin will be glowing after you use this device. And I hadn't been promoting it much in the past because it wasn't on sale, and also because I think most people in this community have and use the Mini because the price point was so much more attainable and it seemed to be a good fit for the audience. But now, because you can get this at 30% off, it's really a great time to shop. And I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel, including how to use Rejuve and Erase and Educate with this device, and it's a really awesome device. I like to use the Rejuve mode with the probes because you are moving lymph, and I found that using it with the probes with the gel worked really well for me, and it's incredible what it feels like to move lymph and then drain it down the sides of your neck when it's connected to a microcurrent device like this, because this device uses a low-level electrical current. It's like you can feel an energized movement of the lymph, and it just feels incredible, and I really, really do love using this device. So now's the perfect time to upgrade if you have had your eye on the Triwave or you were curious about it. Now is really the time to grab it because it's such a great deal right now. In terms of the devices, if you're really busy, you're time-starved, or you're just getting started with microcurrent, I recommend the QT, or if you're shopping for someone that's just getting started with microcurrent, I recommend the QT. For the more advanced user or skincare enthusiast, I recommend the Myolift Mini. And then for the very well-versed advanced user or someone that's really looking to take their microcurrent to the next level, I recommend the Triwave device. So the QT is the beginner device, the Myolift Mini is the intermediate device, and the Triwave is the advanced device. And I have lots of tutorials on my channel for how to use the Mini and the Triwave. And when you get the QT, the tutorials are already in the app that you use with this device. So you just follow that along step by step and you'll be all set. And as I mentioned before, you can shop the gels, the masks, the boot camp kits, the limited edition holiday kits, the Gua Sha, all the accessories are on sale. So now's the perfect time to build out your collection or restock any skincare that you love to use. I love to use the vitamin C and anti-aging peptide serum underneath a gel, or I like to use it when I'm using the gloves because you don't use any gel, but you use water or the conductive spritz. I like to spray on my fingertips. No matter what microcurrent treatment I'm doing, I love to use either the vitamin C or the anti-aging peptide serum. So you could stock up on these. So now I will walk you through the limited edition holiday kits and help you figure out which one might be the best for you. These first two kits here come with devices. So if you're shopping for a device, I highly recommend one of these two kits. They are my top pick this holiday season because they are the best value and you get everything you could possibly need to get started with your device. So the one on the left is the Triwave device that comes with the Detox and Depuff kit. That is a new kit for the holidays. And then on the right is the mini kit that you get with the Wrinkle Reduction Boot Camp kit. Next, I will show you a set of consumer bundles that you can buy that include skincare and accessories only. So these do not include devices. You should buy one of these if you already have a device or the person you're shopping for already has a device. This first kit is the Hydrate and Sculpt Mask Kit, and it comes with 2 Jowls masks and 1 Cell Renewal Peptide Sheet Mask. This next kit is called the Daily Renewal Kit, and it comes with the Mangosteen Cleanser, the Vitamin C Serum, and the Anti-Aging Peptide Serum. This next one is the Total Hydration Mask Kit, and it's perfect for the upcoming winter season. It has 1 vitalizing sheet mask, 2 cell renewal peptide masks, 1 conductive eye mask, and 1 conductive lip mask. Next is the Super Conductive Microcurrent Activator Kit. It comes with 1 Replenish Spritzer, 1 Restore Conductive Gel, and 1 ATP Booster Mask. Next is the Lift and Release Facial Massage Kit. This comes with 1 pair of conductive gloves, 1 infused solution bottle, 1 ATP booster gel mask, and 1 Myolift Gua Sha tool. And then we have the Detox and Depuff Treatment Kit. This includes a lot: a conductive gel, eye mask, the Mangosteen cleanser, a headband, the eye serum, a pair of the conductive gloves, an applicator brush, conductive solution, and replenish spritzer. And now I will quickly review the professional bundles. These are all 35% off, and I'm just going to show you the cover photo of all of these kits, and you can click through to the website to read more about them. This first one is the Myolift Classic with 120 treatments. The next one is Back Bar Edition, 40 facial treatments. Then Myolift Trilogy with 10 eye lift treatments. The Myolift Trilogy with 10 Jowls treatments, the Back Bar Edition Myolift Mask Vault, and then lastly, the Back Bar Edition 120 facial treatments. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of the items that are on sale during the 7E Wellness Black Friday sale, please drop them down in the comments below. I will do my best to help you. And you can always reach out to 7E Wellness customer service because they're really great and responsive and there to help you as well. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with a friend, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!